Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vincent Harrison, and I'm just coming on to just give a quick testimony on the work that I have achieved so far by being a part of Liberty Aid Academy with Jack McCraig, and all of his people that work with him. It is an honor to have this information and to be able to go through every course and learn what I need to learn, and to be able to execute it, not only learn it, but to not have the fear to execute everything that has been set forth. Today, I'm just going to talk about my testimony in opening my trust. I went through about 4 banks, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Navy Federal. All of them said that they couldn't open my trust because they did not open this type of trust. What kind of trust is that? That is a private, irrevocable, ecclesiastic trust, which puts me in a position of freedom. And I want to thank Jack McCraig and his creation and his patent on this trust. So I want to show you, I got to this bank, Bank of Ozark, and they were able and willing to open up my trust and much more. And here's the proof. Here's the agreement. It says right up here, private trust of Vincent Harrison Trust. So it's just some documents that they gave me that connect the account to the trust. And I want to say that I tried to download the app so that I could have the account on an app on my phone. But every time I put in my login and information, it wouldn't go. So I emailed the representative at the bank and said, "Hey, look, I'm trying to put this on an app." And she emailed me back. She said, "Mr. Harrison, the trust is private." So I decided not to put it on the app. I want to make sure that I keep everything private, and I want to learn because, you know, that information so far, it didn't register with me that it's a private. I've been living in the public so long, all I know is public. So learning how to live in the private is a task within itself. So here is my documents for my trust, and I was able to create those through my package that I purchased, the McCraig Mastery Trust a bundle. I brought all of that. I wanted to make sure that I had everything. I'm that type of guy. When I get a truck from the dealership, I want full coverage. I want the whole package. So I went on and got the whole package, and I will be working all the time trying to educate myself and educate my family so that we can be free from this system that we are in. I want to thank Jack McCraig. I want to make sure I say his name correctly because that's very important. Jack McCraig and all of his work in creating this trust and getting it patented so that we can have the proof that we need that everything will work out for us. It takes work. I know that, and I'm willing to continue to work. I want to thank you for your time. This is Vincent Harrison, and more testimonies to come.